back to another vlog. Today it's gonna be a little fall themed vlog. I got my cute little overalls on. I don't know, I feel like it always gives like a fall vibe, and then I felt like I add this like orange and red and green like flowery leafy kind of outfit to give it more of another vibe. I don't know how I'm feeling, if it's really fall vibes, but that's where we're at. Today, I'm going to be having a cute little pumpkin painting party with some friends. Now, we're just gonna do some fun fall activities at home. First things first, you always gotta drink some water. But anyway, here's my water for today. I'm gonna make myself a little breakfast. I think what we're gonna do today is some avocado toast and some yogurt and granola. I guess we're not having avocado toast because unfortunately all my avocados are bad. When I cut them open, they were all gross inside. Guess we're just having granola and yogurt. Hey guys, so I just drove to the store. I'm going to the dollar store. I'm going to pick up some tablecloths to cover the table so when we're painting we don't get it dirty. Then I gotta go to Aldi because I gotta pick up some snacks because I'm going to make some cake pops. My goal is to make some cute little pumpkin shaped cake pops. We're going to see how that goes. I didn't get everything at Aldi, so I had to go to Target. When I was at Target, I wanted to try this new Olipop. Literally, it tastes exactly like Mountain Dew, but it's way healthier for you than Mountain Dew. I definitely recommend it if you like Mountain Dew. Definitely a better alternative. For me, I'm not really a Mountain Dew person, so I wasn't a huge fan. Alright guys, so I kind of forgot to vlog when I got home, but I just started to make the cake pops. The cake is done. Now for the fun part is to crumble it all up and make it into balls and add the frosting. Then we gotta freeze them. Crushed it and I just put the frosting in it. Now I gotta all mix it all together, then make the balls and put it in the freezer. Fun fact, this is the first time I'm making these in my life. But I'm actually really hopeful that they're gonna turn out great. I saw some people using a mixer. Maybe that would be better. But I thought it would be too thick for the mixer and I didn't want to get the risk of it getting stuck. So this is the masterpiece. Make sure to wash your hands before you do this. And then you're going to have to wash them after. This is something. Might as well taste test it. It's all mixed in the bowl. Now I got to make it into some balls. You ready? And what's crazy? I didn't get sticks for the cake pops. So I guess they're going to be like more like cake balls. Hopefully it still turns out okay. So I think I burnt the melting chocolate. It did not come out at all and they kind of look awful. So I don't know about those K-pops. They look kind of terrible. They did not dip at all. So these are terrible. They're awful. But they're orange. Also made some dinner. It's in the oven. Ooh, it's cooking. It's like a chicken pasta casserole kind of thing. Just finished the night. Everybody went home. It was super fun. We played some Wii and we painted our pumpkins. I painted a beach pumpkin, obviously. And I made a little sea turtle on it. We ate some food, chatted, and then we left and we had a great time. Thanks for watching this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this little fall, little gathering. See you at the next adventure.